Alright, once you receive the machine, we have something to adjust to make sure that the machine is balanced. And now I'm showing you how to adjust the machine. First of all, we check here the temperature. We don't need temperature, okay? You don't need to turn it on. Step 1, the blade with the glass alignment. Okay, now I press it down. It comes down and check. Make sure that this blade is in the middle of this glass. Okay, if it is not in the middle, then you turn it up and then loosen the screws right here to adjust the place of this base mode. Make sure that when the blade is coming down, the blade is right at the middle of this glass. Step 2, blade balance checking. Now I'm just using this PEFE tape, put it on the blade, and then press it down for a few seconds. Then click again and check the print here. We check the color if it is balanced or not. If it is not balanced, the color of this print, then we adjust the screws right here. For example, now this area is a little bit light, then you can loose it a little bit. Loose it to make this blade comes down more. And if you want to lift it up, then you tighten it up. Okay, all right, then I do it again. And then press down. And again. Now we can see the balance, the print is balanced already. If you see some area has darker print and some area has lighter print, then you need to adjust the 4 screws right here. Okay. Step 3, alignment blade balance checking. We check the details here. We have to make sure that the edge of this blade, it is right at the side, inner side of this print. You press it down and check. Now we see this area is a little bit too much inside. Okay, then we need to loosen the screws right here. It is another screwdriver. You loosen it a little bit here, and then you move it by your hand. Make sure that this blade is just right next to the line of this print. Okay, just make sure that it is right next to the print, this blade. This is very important. And then we tidy it up again. Step 4, the speed adjustment. You press it down and click again. This one, the down one, is for the speed of coming down, and the upper one is for the speed of this blade coming up. Okay, right here, if you turn it anti-clockwise, then the speed will be faster. If you tighten it up, you fasten it, then the speed will be slower. It is same on the upper one. Okay, finally we check again the data. Click this one to change the temperature of this blade. Okay, we normally use 280, and you click again, then it is changing the lamination time. Okay, we normally using 18 seconds. And this one is for counting how many times you laminate. and you click again, then give a long press here, and then it could be go back to 0. Okay, now it go back to 0. And right here the pressure anti-clockwise. To turn down the pressure clockwise, it is turning up the pressure. We normally using 029. Okay. If you have any questions about using the machines, you can let us know. Thanks for watching. How to use this blade? First of all, you put it on. Here it got a magnet. Okay, it's stable here. Then this flash cable, we have already finished the alignment under the microscope. And put the screen on. Make sure that this golden area, okay, just right next to the blade. This is the key point. Like this. And then take out this blade. Then click start. You will find that the blade will just perfectly laminate on the golden area. So then the time finished, then it will goes up automatically. Okay, in this case, then the bonding is finished.